These movements help with aesthetics, but it also helps structure your muscles in a way that your back is going to be structured straight, your neck is going to be pushed in instead of like this. This is the turtleneck. We don't want turtleneck. We only wear turtlenecks, but we don't want a real turtleneck. The only way to do that is to use the right exercises, this routine, so that you can restructure and your shoulders to be straightened up again. Every single time I meet someone new, they always tell me that I exude some sort of this elegance, confidence, and expensive taste. I think it's because of the way how I dress or the way how I talk, but I mainly think it's because of my body language and how my posture is. I may not be the most confident person in the room. In my head, I'm just like super nervous and anxious to meet new people. My body language does not exude that. So if you're someone who studies and works at an office all day, it's very natural for your shoulders to be rounded like this because you're doing this. Naturally, that's going to give you a lot of shoulder pain, back pain, neck, trapezius muscle pain. All of that is going to be relieved through these movements. These movements help with aesthetics, but it also helps with rehabilitation and structure your muscles in a way that your back is going to be structured straight, but also your neck is going to be pushed in instead of like this. This is the turtleneck. We don't want turtleneck. We only wear turtlenecks, but we don't want a real turtleneck. The only way to do that is to use the right exercises, this routine, so that you can restructure your muscles and your shoulders to be straightened up again. You know what they say about fake it till you make it. This routine is going to help you look the most confident and the most elegant in the room. When you enter a room, all of the eyes are on you because you just exude confidence and elegance, queen, everything. So I am going to show you guys this routine that I literally use probably every single day. So first things first, I am going to show you guys from a side. So what we're going to do is we're going to twist our shoulders into a circle like that. Twist, drop it down. Twist, drop it down. We're going to repeat this 8 more times.
Care for everyone else. I
lost count. I think it's like 5 more times.
Get into this reset.
And now we're going to do it counterclockwise.
Get into this reset. Take a skill for something called the Get into this reset.
7, 8, 9. The goal is to do 10 for each movement. 10. And then what we're going to do is just bring both the shoulders up, drop it down. Up. So you're tensing the muscles here and then releasing the tension. I'm going to repeat that 8 more times. 7. I know this move looks so ridiculous, but I promise you it delivers results.
Reset.
And then we're going to bring our neck to the side and our arm behind your back. And then you're going to give in big, deep breaths, okay? Do you see how when I inhale, my body kind of tenses? Exhale, it releases. Again. Give me 2 more times.
PCH to the Potomac River.
Now we're going to take it to the other side. Again. Side. Head. Bring. Again. Back. Two more times.
You think I'm acting brand new? What this?
And now we're going to bring both our arms to the side and back. And then we're going to give it up, release it down. Up, release it down. Give me 8 more. 8, 7,
Bitch, you're blowing my high. Gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah.
Okay, and then let's give it a big little stretch. So that we make our shoulders and our back nicely stretched. Okay, good. Now, this is the highlight. You're going to put your hand on a wall. Just bring your hand. And then you're going to twist your hand so that your shoulder is completely open and your chest is completely exposed. And then you're going to give big breaths. Again. Oh, see? Again, we're going to do that. Big breaths. And now, with this position, you're going to press it in to the wall, and then open out. Remember, you're facing completely the other side. Press into it, open. This is how you get these muscles and the tension completely released. So we're going to do that. Open. One more time. Close. Open. This feels really good actually. Okay. Now we're going to repeat that for the other side. I'm going to show you how it looks like from the back. We're going to completely twist. Make sure your shoulders are not close to your ears. They're really completely brought down. And then twist. Giving big breaths. Now we're going to press it into the wall, release it. Keep going, press it, release it. Keep breathing. Great job. And now we're going to bring both our arms behind our back. And then you're going to bring your back like that. I don't know if the camera is able to see, but you just do that. Again, bring your back. Now this is a way to strengthen the back muscles here, but also stretching your shoulders. Bring it up. Give me, I think, 6 more times. Make sure your abs are tight.
I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay.
Okay. Now that we got all of the warm up and our shoulders feel a little bit more alleviated, now we're going to strengthen the muscles that is going to help your posture to hold straight. First movement, we're going to bring our arms and our fists like this. If you have weights, that actually is going to give you the maximum results, but you can also do it without weights. It still works. We're going to just open up. Open up. Right. And repeat this 10 more times.
It's my time.
Keep breathing. Now with this, we're going to open up your hands, and then we're going to open our arms, and then bring it back. Open, bring it back. You should feel your wings close and open. Open, close the wings. Open, close the wings. Now repeat that for 10 more times. Make sure your abs are tight.
On the tweeting, I'll disappear a whole season like who said they looking for me?
Last one. Hold it there. Hold your back tight. Hold your back tight. And then we're going to bring our arms and squeeze our back. Squeeze. Squeeze. 10, 9.
Pay for it on my time.
2, last one, best squeeze, release it. You should start to feel the burn. I'm just gonna quickly stretch my arms, stretch my trapezius muscles so that we don't bulk. Okay. Now, We're gonna do one more stretch, and then if you want maximum results, you're going to repeat this entire routine one more time. So we're gonna keep our hand to the wall, keep your hand to the wall, and then what you're going to do is you're going to flip your hand this time. Last time we did this time we're doing this. And then you don't have to keep your arm too high. You actually don't want to do that. You want to avoid that because your shoulders are going to be by your ears. We don't want that happening. Just keep it at a good height. And then just kind of stretch all the way as much as you can. All the way as much as you can. Good job. If this is your first time stretching or you have really rounded shoulders, this is actually going to hurt. But it's a good sign. Okay, other side. We're going to flip. Remember, not this way. We're going to flip our hand. And then we're going to twist our body as much as we can while breathing. Okay guys, that was it. Don't forget to repeat this routine one more time if you want maximum results. I feel so much better. Like my shoulders and my entire neck area just feels so alleviated. I do this routine, I'm not kidding, every single day. Whenever I'm sitting down and I'm doing work and I feel, some sort of shoulder pain, I start doing this. Like literally in the library, like in public, I don't care where I am. I don't care if there's cute guys everywhere. Like I literally would just start doing this. And then I find like some sort of a wall and I start doing this. It's just these tiny little routines that really make a change. You don't need to make like a huge drastic, like I need to go to the gym, get a trainer. Like no, these things, you get to just do it at home or wherever you are. Tiny little habits and changes into your life, and it makes the biggest difference in the way you look and the way you feel. If you guys enjoyed that routine, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful routines like this. I'm actually gonna get ready really quickly to go to my friend's house because I'm throwing her a surprise birthday. So maybe I'll take you guys along. See you.
Say hi. Me, come on. Wave to camera.
I set up this surprise for her. Happy birthday!
Wow.